The Elite Gourmet EDB-302BF Countertop Double Cast Iron Burner is a versatile electric hot plate designed to provide additional cooking space in your kitchen. Here's a review of the product, design and build quality. The EDB-302BF features a sleek and compact design with a black finish that can complement any kitchen decor. The double burner design allows you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously, which is convenient for preparing meals when you need extra cooking space. The cast iron burners are durable and provide even heat distribution for efficient cooking. Performance. With a power output of 1,500 watts, the EDB-302BF offers sufficient heating capabilities for most cooking tasks. The temperature controls allow you to adjust the heat level according to your needs, giving you flexibility in preparing various recipes. The burners heat up quickly and maintain a consistent temperature, ensuring your food is cooked evenly. Ease of use. Using the EDB-302BF is straightforward. The temperature controls are intuitive and easy to operate, allowing you to select the desired heat setting with precision. The power indicator lights serve as a helpful visual cue to indicate when the burners are in use. The compact size makes it easy to store when not in use, and the unit is also relatively lightweight, making it convenient for transportation or outdoor use. Cleaning. When it comes to cleaning, the cast iron burners can be easily wiped clean with a damp cloth or sponge. However, it's worth noting that the drip pans or trays beneath the burners may require more attention, as they can accumulate spills and food debris. These trays are removable, which makes cleaning them more manageable. Overall, the Elite Gourmet EDB-302BF Countertop Double Cast Iron Burner is a reliable and efficient electric hot plate that offers versatility and convenience. It's well built, performs admirably, and is easy to use and clean. Whether you need extra cooking space for entertaining guests, cooking in small kitchens, or for outdoor activities, this hot plate can be a valuable addition to your culinary arsenal.